Here's how to fix can't jump out of the battle bus in Fortnite. So the first thing that you're going to do is from your Fortnite game, go ahead and go to the settings options. Now, once you are already connected to the settings options, what you need to do is to click on that and then you will be able to see the icon selection. And then from the icon selection, what you need to do is to click on the controller mapping option. Now, once you have already clicked on the controller mapping option, you will be redirected on the page where you'll be able to see the options about the presets. Now, under the presets, you will see there the movement option. Now, what you need to do is go to the movement option. Under the movement options, you will see the crouch, sprint, auto run, and jump. So since the problem here is that we can't jump, is what you need to do is go ahead and click on the jump options. And as you can see, it is on not available. Now what you need to do is to make it available so that you can go ahead and jump out of the battle bus in your Fortnite game.